New at 5, the battle over a massive data center proposal took center stage in court today. The PW Digital Gateway in Prince William County is set to be one of the largest data center complexes in the world.
But neighbors are fighting to stop it. A judge sided with them and paused the zoning changes that would have allowed that project to move forward. And then the county and developers appealed the ruling. Matthew Torres is live in Arlington with more on what happened at the Virginia Court of Appeals today. Sounds like quite a day, Matthew.
Hey, yeah, it definitely was, Leslie. The big issue in today's hearing was about the circuit judge's ruling last summer that eventually found Prince William County violated its own ordinances by failing to notify the public about what would have become a 27-hour-long critical hearing where supervisors approved this controversial data center project despite massive opposition.
I'm very emotional about this because what we do is stand up for the little guy.
Attorney Craig Blakely is leaving the courthouse feeling optimistic following another chapter in what he describes as a years-long David and Goliath battle.
At trial, we faced 4 different law firms. Now there are 2 more they added.
He and attorney Chap Peterson are representing homeowners and preservationists in 2 separate legal challenges. They're both fighting against attorneys for Prince William County and developers QTS and Compass, who want to build a massive data center complex near the Manassas National Battlefield Park called PW Digital Gateway.
Can you imagine the disruptive effect, not only on these individuals, but on your electrical bills?
Last summer, a circuit court judge stopped the project from moving forward because she says the county failed to follow its own ordinances over properly notifying the public about an important hearing in 2023. Attorneys for the project told judges in the Virginia Court of Appeals Tuesday how the judge misinterpreted the law and should reverse her decision.
They cut corners, and that comes back on you.
We learned how the county submitted a draft to advertise a December 12th hearing in the month prior to the Washington Post. But the county never followed up to answer the newspaper's questions. The ad was never published, even though there are strict deadline requirements. Attorneys for the developers argued based on state law, 2 advertisements published after that mistake gave ample notice to the public. After the hearing, those attorneys declined to comment.
Prince William had its own stricter notice requirement, which they clearly did not comply with because the second notice was more than 5 days. It was 3 days before the hearing.
The December hearing in 2023 proved to be critical. The old Board of Supervisors approved PW Digital Gateway. Critics to this day say the board could have waited, but was in a rush because new supervisors were coming in.
And all they had to do was re-advertise, but they did it because they knew that they had a lame duck board.
And the Virginia Court of Appeals could be releasing their decision anywhere from 30 days to several months from now, and whoever is in the losing party could still appeal the decision to the Virginia Supreme Court or ask the Virginia Court of Appeals to reconsider, which could all take place later this year. Guys?
Yeah.